Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Hella Thicc filter on TikTok. So I'm TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter here in trending section. What you can do? Tap on this search button. Search for Hella Thicc. Thick double C. Okay, remember the first image, tap on it. Okay, so this is the effect. You can drag it wherever you want. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, go to your For You page and here search for Hella Thicc filter. Okay, so here you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on the first one. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.